Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the first ever Bombay Times Headliners. Hi ma'am, looking stunning as always.
Thank you.
Looking stunning. Tell us, are you excited for tonight?
Well, since it's the first of these awards, of course it's interesting.
Now, Bombay Times is glamour, so feeling glamorous as well.
We can do it. We can look amazing.
I'm feeling amazing. I just got an award from Javed Saab in front of Nasir Saab and Shabana ma'am. I am thrilled. This is my first one, and so it can't be better than this.
Many more to come.
Thank you.
Right?
Kind of strange presenting an award, but I'm presenting it to my very dear friend Kunal Kapoor,
Oh, how
who's
beautiful.
been doing some fantastic work with Prithvi Theatre.
Right.
So I'm unused to this kind of an occasion, but I'll get used to it by and by.
Right.
I feel very, very happy. I feel particularly happy because all the winners, it is such a beautiful list of people that I'm very happy that I've been included in that list. I'm genuinely full of gratitude and thank you.
I think it feels really great to represent the food community. What it means to me is that food is still the headliner and not just another topic of conversation. Food wins, I win. I win, food wins.
Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the first ever Bombay Times Headliners. Zara zordar taliyan honi chahiye. It's the first ever edition. May I please invite our esteemed dignitaries for the ceremonial lamp lighting. Cabinet Minister of Electronics, Information Technology and Artificial Intelligence and Cultural Affairs, Government of Maharashtra, Shri Ashish Shelar. The maestro of words, screenwriter, poet, everyone's favorite, Padma Bhushan Javed Akhtar Sahab, and the CEO, Times of India, Mr. Sivakumar Sundaram. Please join us on stage, gentlemen. Please do the honors. The first ever Bombay Times Headliners is officially underway, ladies and gentlemen. We're ready to get this show on the road. I'm seeing everybody walking. Ye purse? Ye purse kiska hai? Anybody? Ye purse?
हेलो ये पर्स इसका है
I know this voice. Actually, it goes really well with your outfit. ये पर्स मतलब पर्स?
सोफी ये पर्स इसका है और इसी की वजह से यार मैं हेडलाइंस में हूँ क्या बात कर रही हो यार
I mean, honestly, Manish,
हाँ.
शूट जो फिल्म है ना, 1 साल हो गया उसको शूट किए हुए.
हाँ.
थिएटर में भी रिलीज हो गई है. अब तो पर्स छोड़ दो.
यार सोफी प्लीज ये पर्स नहीं स्पर्श है गुड लक का वेल इसी ने तो मुझे हेडलाइनर बनाया है यार
Manish, please stop being Manish. Actually, you know what? Don't. क्योंकि मनीष जब आता है ना तो माहौल बनता है.
हाय हाउ स्वीट यार सोवी, थैंक यू. तो एक काम करते हैं कि अब जब मनीष आई गए, तुम भी आई गए हो, तो एकदम से माहौल बनाए देते हैं. और इससे पहले हम आगे बढ़े, वेल मनीष का तो नहीं, लेकिन मोनीज देने वाले जो लोग हैं उनको तुम अगर अपने प्यारी प्यारी आवाज में थैंक यू करो.
उनको तो करना ही पड़ेगा, because we would love to thank our luxury partner Forever Diamond Jewelry De Beers Group, fashion partner Trends, a digital partner Reliance Digital, legacy partner the House of Abhinandan Lodha, driven by partner MG Motors, wealth partner Grip Invest, associate partner Mega Shray by Seema Singh, associate partner Lay, celebration partners Living Liquids and the Glenwalk.
क्या बात है यार, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हमारे पार्टनर्स के लिए बनती है, बिकॉज इसके बिना हम में से कोई भी यहाँ बैठा ना होता.
And let's get the show on the road. The first award. क्या आप सब तैयार हैं?
ये
Yeah!
हुई ना
यही
बात.
हुई ना बात. All right.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the award for the Bombay Times headliner, dynamic action hero, the one and the only Tiger Shroff.
With his incredible discipline, fitness, and larger-than-life screen presence, he has redefined what it means to be an action star for a new generation. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for Tiger Shroff.
सबसे पहले मैं थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा बॉम्बे टाइम्स को. आई एम रियली रियली प्रिविलेज एंड ऑनर्ड टू बी अ हेडलाइनर. थैंक यू फॉर थिंकिंग आई एम वर्दी. मुझे याद है आई यूज्ड टू कीप रीडिंग द बॉम्बे टाइम्स पेपर, खासकर पेज 3, just to catch a glimpse of my father at one of these events or parties or award shows. So Bombay Times and me have a very old connection. Thank you so much once again.
जाने से पहले एक बात मैं आपसे पूछूंगी कि तुम्हें क्या लगता है इस कमरे में कितने लोग हैं जिन्होंने तुम्हारा कोई वर्कआउट ट्राई किया होगा और 30 सेकंड में गिव अप कर दिया होगा?
There's somebody who I think is a lot fitter than me. I think Shankar Mahadevan ji can hold his breath for very, very long. I've
This
heard him
is
sing
true.
songs in
Yes!
शंकर महादेवन सर.
I wish I could do that. So I don't think I'm as close as fit as he is.
बिल्कुल, ही इज वेरी फिट. उन्होंने थोड़ी सी ब्रेथ अपनी यहाँ पे भी अटका रखी थी. आई नो इट सर, वी लव यू फॉर दैट. एक बार जोरदार तालियां शंकर सर के लिए.
The amazing Shankar Mahadevan, the wonderful Tiger Shroff.
जोरदार तालियां फॉर टाइगर. कांग्रेचुलेशंस बडी. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Our next headliner has spent decades earning standing ovations, winning hearts, and proving that great performances never go out of style.
Absolutely. Well, it's time to honor the Bombay Times headliner, icon of Marathi cinema and theatre. Ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां for Vandana Gupte. क्या बात है, जोरदार तालियां वंदना जी के लिए.
Vandana Gupte has enthralled audiences for decades with her extraordinary talent, versatility, and commanding presence. Through a remarkable career spanning generations, she has reinvented herself while remaining deeply rooted in her craft, setting a rare example of artistic excellence and resilience. From iconic stage productions to acclaimed screen performances, she's brought authenticity, depth, and grace to every role, leaving an indelible mark on Marathi performing arts. Congratulations, ma'am. Thank you for being here. And please say a few words.
I'm so happy in the hands of आशीष शेलार जी और इन सब के साथ मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ ये अवार्ड. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you. Congratulations, ma'am.
The Bombay Times headliner, lifetime contribution to Malgham, and it goes to
Padma Shri Uday Deshpande.
Zordar Taliyan, ladies and gentlemen. For over 5 decades, Padma Shri Uday Deshpande has dedicated his life to the preservation, revival, and global promotion of the traditional Indian sport of Malgham, inspiring and training thousands of students in India and around the world.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. प्रियंका पाटिल जैसी लड़की जो पहली कक्षा से 10वीं कक्षा तक मलखम करती है, 100% विजुअली चैलेंज्ड गर्ल, एंड नाउ शी इज द फर्स्ट ब्लाइंड IAS ऑफिसर इन इंडिया.
Incredible.
Wow. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर.
Well, from one sports to another, because it's time to honor the Bombay Times headliner, Shuttle Star. And the winner is Chirag Shetty, ladies and gentlemen. He has broken new ground for Indian badminton, becoming part of the country's first men's doubles pair to achieve the world #1 ranking. An Arjuna awardee in 2020 and the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award in 2023 makes Chirag a headliner in every possible way. Thank you for being here, and you must say something.
Well, firstly, thank you. Thank you to Bombay Times for honoring me with the Headliners Award from sir. Thank you.
बिग कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू। लेकिन यार तुमने बहुत बहुत बैडमिंटन खेला है, लेकिन आज गुडमिंटन खेलेंगे क्योंकि मैं कुछ भी बैट नहीं करता। लेके आइए प्लीज जरा, ये लीजिए। हाँ जी सर, आपने प्लीज बताना है कि कौन कौन बेटर खेला जी।
Ready?
वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 अब बन चुका है मनीष पॉल। बहुत बहुत थैंक यू सो मच। चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे।
It's time to honor the Bombay Times headliner, architect of Indian fashion, and the winner is Advaita Nair.
Advaita Nair, ladies and gentlemen.
Advaita Nair is the co-founder and executive director of Nykaa and CEO House of Nykaa, a key force behind Nykaa's growth over the past decade. She launched Nykaa Fashion in 2018 and has since built it into one of India's leading fashion platforms, serving over 11 million customers and partnering with over 5,500 brands, including leading global names. I did that all in one breath. No, congratulations to you. Thank you for being here.
That was really quite an introduction. Thank you very much. And if you haven't shopped yet, please download the Nykaa Fashion app and shop. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. I love it.
आपको धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। आपके कारण मेरी बीवी मायका से ज्यादा नायका जाती है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद है आपका। जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए हो जाएं। Well, now it's time to honor the Bombay Times headliner, Social Impact Champion.
And the winner is, I just want to say, whenever I host an award, you win. So I could be your lucky charm. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Bhumi Pednekar. Bhumi has consistently chosen stories that challenge conventions and spark meaningful conversations. Beyond the screen, she's become a strong voice advocating environmental awareness and sustainable living through her climate initiatives, campaigns, and continued efforts to encourage positive change. Congratulations.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Bombay Times, for recognizing me as a headliner. Climate change and the fact that it is the largest looming threat that humanity is dealing with. But today we have a great community. We have everybody working towards the cause, and that gives me a lot of hope. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Bhumi. And thank you so much, Ashish.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for being here.
It is time to honor the Bombay Times headliner, Legacy of Excellence.
And to do the honors, may I please invite the maestro of words, screenwriter, poet, and everybody's favorite, Padma Bhushan, Javed Akhtar Sahab. Please can you join us on stage for the next set of awards. Thank you, Javed Sahab, for being here. And it's time for me to announce this award. And who else could it be than the most incredible, the most wonderful. Please welcome Shabana Azmi. A towering presence in Indian cinema, Shabana Azmi has spent over 5 decades redefining excellence through her powerful performances.
Thank you very much, Bombay Times. Headliners वो होते हैं जिधर जाते हैं सब जाना उधर अच्छा नहीं लगता, जिधर जाते हैं सब जाना उधर अच्छा नहीं लगता, हमें पामाल रस्तों का सफर अच्छा नहीं लगा।
क्या बात है, क्या बात। जावेद सर, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस मौके पर सर?
There is more happiness in giving than taking. Today I am realizing that it is wrong. Thank you very much.
It's time to honor the Bombay Times headliner, Melody Maestro. And the winner is
the one and only
Saans Le Lo, Shankar Mahadevan, a singer, composer, and performer whose voice has become the soundtrack to countless memories. This Grammy winner has enriched Indian music with extraordinary versatility and timeless melodies. Congratulations.
इनको तो खैर यही अवार्ड मिला है, मगर मुझे एक जिंदगी में बहुत बड़ा अवार्ड मिला है जिसका नाम है शंकर महादेव।
Oh, that is so sweet.
शंकर सर, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? Please.
The first song that I ever composed was written by Javed Saab.
Wow.
The one that gave me recognition, a little bit of a face to the voice, was a song called Breathless, which was written by the maestro himself. And, you know, every step of my musical life, he's been there like a pillar of support. So today receiving this is really, really special. Thank you so much, sir. And I'd like to sing 4 lines of a song that he has written.
How nice.
This is dedicated to all the headliners. हाँ यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है. हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है. तुझे अब ये दिखाना है. रोके तुझको आंधियां या जमीन और आसमां, पाएगा जो लक्ष्य है तेरा. लक्ष्य को हर हाल में पाना है.
क्या बात है. Let's have a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. All right, moving on to the next award, ladies and gentlemen.
Indian movies are making a mark globally, and there are some names who are the reason for that.
Well, it is the honor for Bombay Times headliners, the path-breaking storyteller.
And the winner is Neeraj
Khewan. Let's have a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
From his internationally acclaimed debut Masan to his thought-provoking work in anthology storytelling, Neeraj Khewan has consistently challenged conventions while bringing powerful realities to the forefront. Homebound, India's official entry to the Oscars further reflects his artistic courage. It's such a pleasure to have you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Bombay Times. I'm actually very happy that I'm receiving this award from Javed sir, who's been an inspiration. His voice, his courage, his humor, his words have been an inspiration. I dedicate this award to all the journalists around the world for speaking truth to power. Thank you.
Let's have a big hand, ladies and gentlemen, for Neeraj. Moving on.
Our next headliner has mastered this rare act, the honor for Bombay Times headliner, acting trailblazer, cinema and OTT. And the winner is...
And the winner is one and only my brother, Jaideep Ahlawat.
Jaideep Ahlawat has established himself as one of the most accomplished and versatile actors of his generation. From powerful performances in critically acclaimed films like Razi, Maharaj, Ikkis to redefining excellence in long-form storytelling and web series like Patal Lok, he has consistently brought depth, authenticity and nuance to every role he portrays. And the man can dance. We've seen it. Congratulations, Jaideep.
थैंक यू बॉम्बे टाइम्स. मैं पिछले 5 साल में भगवान की दया से बहुत सारे अवार्ड मिले हैं, पर इससे ज़्यादा घबराहट मुझे कभी महसूस नहीं. मैं अभी काँप रहा हूँ, मैं लिटरली बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं बहुत देर से वहाँ बैठा हुआ था. ये अवार्ड जावेद साहब के हाथ से लेना और मेरी इंस्टीट्यूट के 2 लेजेंड मेरे सामने बैठे हुए हैं, नसीर सर, शबाना मैम, उनका बहुत जूनियर एक बच्चा उस इंस्टीट्यूट से. कभी सोचा नहीं था कि आपके सामने ऐसा कुछ होगा. दिस इज़ वेरी स्पेशल. थैंक यू. थैंक यू.
It's time to honor the Bombay Times headliner, Legacy in Theatre. And to present this award, Manish, a man whose body of work has become a benchmark for generations of actors, a veteran, a powerhouse performer, and an institution of acting. Ladies and gentlemen, it is such a privilege to invite on stage to give away the next award, the outstanding Naseeruddin Shah. So please join us on stage to present the next award. Thank you, Nasir sir, for being here. And the winner of this award is, of course, who else but Kunal Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen. He has played a pivotal role in preserving and nurturing the legacy of Indian theatre. As a trustee of the iconic Prithvi Theatre, he has helped ensure that generations of artists, Zahan Kapoor, trustee Prithvi Theatre, to please accompany Kunal on stage. Thank you for being here tonight. Congratulations.
Thank you, Bombay Times, for the honor, for what we've been doing for 48 years. Thank you very much.
Thank you for doing the honors. I would like to now invite our CEO of Times of India, Mr. Sivakumar Sundaram, to join us on stage to announce this award. Thank you, sir. We are now honoring the one who is the Bombay Times headliner, fitness icon and sports advocacy champion, Milan Soman. A true icon of fitness, endurance, and reinvention, Milan Soman has inspired generations through his achievements as an athlete, model, actor, and wellness advocate. Through Pinkathon, India's largest women's running movement, he has empowered thousands of women to prioritize their health and well-being. You are such an icon, Milan.
Thank you, Sophie. And it's great to be here. Thank you, sir, for this wonderful award. And I want to, of course, dedicate it to all the women of Pinkathon, which include my mother and my wife. And just to let you know something about this event, I started it in 2012, and just with the hope that women would join the movement. I mean, you know, India today has the fastest growing running community in the world. More people in India start running today than any other country.
Milan Soman, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Our next one is for the Bombay Times headliner, Excellence in Cinema and OTT. And the winner is none other than the absolute powerhouse, the incredible Konkana Sen Sharma, ladies and gentlemen. Whether it's through her nuanced performances or her thoughtful storytelling as a filmmaker, she continues to raise the bar with every project she takes on across cinema and OTT. You have to say something, Coco.
I'm so happy to be here and so happy to be awarded this excellence in OTT. Yeah, I mean that's
cinema and OTT. I mean, you're excellent in everything you do.
That's too sweet. Cinema and OTT, and that's so broad that I mean I don't even know what to speak of. But very grateful for the opportunities I have.
Coco, thank you so much for being here. The stunning Konkana Sen Sharma, ladies and gentlemen. So now it's time to announce the Bombay Times headliner, all-rounder entertainer. And the winner, who else could it be other than my very dear partner in crime, Manish Paul, the voice, wit and energy behind some of Indian television's biggest reality shows, award nights and live events. Bahut mubarak ho aapko.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Firstly, thank you Bombay Times for this honor. I think this award is for the people who survive. And this award, trust me Bombay Times, will be the headline of my award-winning thing. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Love you all.
Congratulations. I'd like to invite Mr. Ranveer Bhandari, President Hospitality, the House of Abhinandan Lodha, to join us on stage. It is time to honor the Bombay Times headliner, art and culture visionary, and the winner is Brinda Miller, ladies and gentlemen. A pioneering force in Mumbai's cultural landscape, Brinda Miller has spent decades shaping the city's artistic identity through her work as a contemporary visual artist, cultural administrator, and champion of the arts. As the festival director of the iconic Kala Ghoda Arts Festival, she has helped transform it into one of India's most celebrated cultural events. Congratulations, ma'am. Thank you so much for being here. You must say something. We have a microphone for you.
Thank you, Bombay Times. Times of India has always been, I see some of you here, has been a big supporter of our one and only Kala Ghoda Arts Festival, and really would like to thank you for all your support. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and thank you for all that you do for our incredible city, ma'am. Thank you for being here. Oh, you're back? Attitude gaya?
बस मेरा एटीट्यूड खत्म हो गया अब मैं वापस आ गया हूँ बस ये लोग मेरा माइक भी मुझे वापस दे दें तब तक तुम शुरू करो आई एम विद यू नाउ
Oh, thank you so much. I feel like I've got my other half back on stage. Please let me welcome Mr. Rohan Nehalani on stage to give away the next award. He's the co-founder of Cartel Brothers and founder of Morgan Beverages. Thank you.
सब तालियां बजाइए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए ladies and gentlemen because it's time to honor Bombay Times headliner breakthrough stand-up comic.
And this is a very cool one because the winner is Gurleen Panu. Amazing, amazing.
अरे ये मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है
Gurleen is one of the most exciting voices in Indian stand-up comedy today. She's carved a distinct space for herself with her sharp wit, relatable storytelling, and effortless stage presence.
First of all, thank you so much. Such a great honor. I mean, getting this award and like with all these such legendary people. And it's good to get a Bombay Times Headliners Award, better than FIR. So thank you so much for acknowledging. Thank you.
I think अभी जाते जाते ये खूब सारे jokes यहाँ से लेके जाएंगे अगला इनका show देखना बिल्कुल बनता है यार.
And to join you, may I please invite Mr. Abhishek Malhotra, brand lead of MG Motors, to give away the next award.
It is time to honor the Bombay Times headliner, multifaceted star, And the winner is, यार क्या बात है, मुझे मजा आ गया, इनका नाम मुझे लेने को मिला है. जोरदार तालियां for Sunil Shetty sir.
Some stars shine on screen, some inspire beyond it. Sunil Shetty's journey is a masterclass in reinvention, proving that success isn't about wearing one hat, but excelling in many. So good to have you here.
Thank you for this. And to Bombay Times headliners, your first year, so happy birthday. And maybe you have many such more. I mean, exciting. You know, the entire setup, absolutely beautiful. So congratulations. And yes, thank you for this. Many hats, yes. Many roles, but as long as I'm true to my values, you know, I think things have worked for me, and I've managed to hold my own for probably 35 years in the industry now.
जोरदार तालियां हो जाए अन्ना के लिए. We love you sir.
It's time to honor the Bombay Times headliner, New Age business leader. I'm so thrilled for her.
Let's have a big hand for the winner, Ananya Birla.
Ananya Birla is a prominent business person and English pop artist with multi-platinum streams. She's building contemporary consumer-facing ventures across diverse sectors while representing a bold new vision for Indian creativity, and recently forayed into the entertainment industry with Birla Studios.
Thank you, Sophie. Firstly, thank you so much, Bombay Times. Headliners, this means a lot, and this is for my team. I am nothing without them, for my team and my family. This is just the beginning, Sophie. There's a lot more to do. This is like literally just the surface of what I think we're all capable of doing.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for Naman.
My name is Naman Anand. I'm a mentalist and a magician. As a mentalist, I read minds. Can I please request Sivakumar sir to please join me on stage? A round of applause. Thunderous round of applause, please. So you've been front row since a very long time, so you ought to be on stage. I know you were trying to avoid, sir, but I couldn't go without getting you. How are you doing, sir?
Perfect.
So, sir, I want everyone to do this. You don't have to do this. We'll share it. Can all of you take out your phones and go to your calculator? Sir, by the time they're doing that, can you please quickly think of a random 3-digit number?
3-digit number.
Any number that comes to your mind.
Okay.
Perfect?
Yes.
Can you please tell us for the first time on the mic?
The number?
Yes.
999.
999. Do you want to change it or are you happy?
No, it's fine.
Okay, audience, each and every one of us, can you please press 999? Perfect. Before we move on, sir, before I get a number out of you, can you please pick one of our amazing guests here, because the next choice is very important. So who you pick and what number they give is going to be very important. Anyone from the audience?
Seema ji?
29.
29. Final choice, ma'am?
Yeah.
Seema ji has given us 2 and 9, 29. So one more person, somebody who's not come on stage or I have not gone to yet. I think Ranveer sir just joined us a little late as well. Sir, do you mind if we take a number from him?
Of course.
Yes, I think you were looking towards him.
Yes.
Hi sir, how are you? 73. You already had that before I could complete. Amazing. Thank you, sir. So we had 99. We multiplied that by 29. We multiplied that by 73, if I'm not wrong. We press multiply again. And one last number, sir. I think we did not go behind.
Yes.
So the ma'am with the orange phone cover. Ma'am, can you give me a single digit number from there? Very quickly.
9.
9. So we multiply that by 9 and we press equals to. Just together, let me know, everyone, if you're on 190333947. Yes? No, say the word yes. Interesting. Sir, I need a subconscious number from you. So that comes from your subconscious mind. So give me an 8-digit number without looking. Just tap the screen. Do not open my gallery. Everything else is fine.
Just tap.
Yes, 8-digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we check if it's happened? We've got 4. Yes, go for 4 more. 6, 7, 8. Amazing. Sir, can you dictate these 8 digits on the mic, please? Everyone put that, please.
1, 3, 9, 3, 9, 8, 3, 8.
Yes. I'm sorry for the number game, but trust me, it'll be worth it. It's 13939838. And ladies and gentlemen, one last time, we all press equals to. We should all land on 5094109. Yes? And you know, even though I said this looks random, 5094109, we are here celebrating everything Bombay Times and Bombay has to offer to us. So, sir, I got a little something from my side for all of you. It's been in my pocket since a long time. So if you can please join me at the front of the stage, because the number that may seem random made by each and every one of us here, which is 5094109 often is not that random because I predicted something before this evening started and I was so sure that I did not write this down. I printed it down. So if you don't mind unveiling this with me, it's in a printed form 5094109, exactly the same number that all of us made together. Thank you. Thank you. So I said Bombay Times is everything to do with the wives of Bombay. And it's nothing without Bombay. So actually, this is not a number, sir. This is actually, if you turn it around, the word Bombay. Right there for you. Thank you so much. A round of applause for sir. Thank you so much for joining me on stage. Thank you, sir. And thank you so much, audience. It's been a lovely, lovely evening meeting one of you, each one of you. My name is Naman Anand, and I hope you had a lovely time. Thank you so much.
A huge round of applause for Naman, ladies and gentlemen. I think that was very, very, very cool. It's time to honor the Bombay Times headliner, Chef Extraordinaire. And to present this award, I'd like to invite on stage Mega Shre's founder, Seema Singh. She is dedicated to empowering women and children through education, healthcare, and community development initiatives. And it's time to give away the award, and it goes to...
Yes, and the winner is, ladies and gentlemen, Ranveer Brar. Let's have a big hand.
A culinary storyteller, entrepreneur, author, and television personality. He's transformed the way India thinks about food. Congratulations on the award, Ranveer.
Thank you. So I've been given a mic, and I assume I've speak something. I think this is more to do with food being a headliner in all our lives, and especially in moments that really matter. And I'm just happy that I sort of stick to food and get a little bit of the headline that food deserves. I think this is more about food and what it does to our lives than it is about me. Food is the real headliner.
It is time to honor the Bombay Times headliner, Excellence in Television.
And to present this award, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Vaibhav Ladha, CEO, Grip Invest, India's most trusted fixed income investment platform. Thank you so much for joining us on stage, gentlemen. And the winner of this award is...
Ladies and gentlemen, zordar taaliyan for Rupali Ganguly.
Woohoo! For over 2 decades, she's entertained audiences with performances that have left a lasting impact on Indian television. From the lovable and unforgettable Monisha in Sarabhai vs. Sarabhai to the inspiring Anupama, her journey has been marked by versatility, dedication, and excellence. A performer who continues to win hearts across generations. She's become one of the most admired faces on television. It is so lovely to have you here.
Thank you, Bombay Times. मुझे इस काबिल समझने के लिए. Congratulations to all of you also, and to all the winners. This is very, very, very special.
Thank you so much.
Thank
big
you,
congratulations
and thank you
to
all
you.
of you for doing the honors. Thank you so, so much. The next honor is for the Bombay Times headliner, Rising Star. And to present this award, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Sagar Kodekar, Format Head, Trends West Region, to please join us on stage.
And ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Vedang Raina.
Woohoo! Congratulations from making a memorable debut as Reggie in the Archies to sharing screen space with Alia Bhatt and Jigra. He's impressed audiences with his charm, talent, and effortless screen presence. Congratulations to you, Vedang.
Thank you, Sophie, thank you, Manish, thank you so much. And thank you, Bombay Times, for this honor. It's very validating. I feel like I'm just starting off, so this is a great way for me to keep, going and stay focused. And thank you for this honor.
लोग दंग रह जाते हैं, लेकिन आप वेदांग रह गए हैं. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए फॉर वेदांग रैना. वेरी गुड वेदांग, कंग्रेचुलेशंस. ऐसे ही खूब अवार्ड जीतते रहो और कमाल का काम करते रहो यार.
Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Next award is for Bombay Times headliner, Cinematic Force.
The winner is the absolutely incredible Kajol!
Ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां for Kajol.
There are stars, there are superstars, and then there are cultural icons, and for generations of audiences, Kajol will forever be Bollywood's Simran, a character that transcended cinema to become an emotion. Yet across a career spanning more than 3 decades, she's continuously reinvented herself, delivering performances that are powerful, memorable, deeply authentic, and forever wowing us with her beautiful presence. Congratulations to you. Thank you for being here, and we have a mic right there for you to say something.
I honestly don't know what to say. First of all, let me say thank you to Bombay Times for this, for their amazing taste in choosing me for this award.
क्या बात है, एक बार जोरदार तालियां। लेकिन काजोल मैम आप ऐसे
ये ऐसे नहीं जाएगा।
वेल देखिए, शायरी है, जेन जी के लिए लाफ्टर का सिंबल है लॉल, जेन जी के लिए लाफ्टर का सिंबल है लॉल, लेकिन मेरे लिए सबसे खूबसूरत है काजोल। ओए होए होए, क्या अच्छा लगा ना, अच्छा लगा ना, अच्छा लगा ना, सच्ची बता।
मतलब इतना वाहियात जोक मैंने नहीं सुना है, मतलब इट्स
गंदा लगा, एक और बार बोलता हूँ,
रियली माइंड ब्लोइंग।
लेकिन काजोल, ऑन अ सीरियस नोट यार आपने माँ फिल्म में जो परफॉर्म किया है, और आप खुद बहुत डरती हैं, राइट? आपको डर लगता है?
नहीं, किसी भी चीज से डर नहीं लगता।
आपने इनकी फिल्में नहीं देखी, ये किसी से नहीं डरते, बाकी सब इनसे डरते।
क्या बात है, लेकिन यार आपने क्या कमाल का परफॉर्मेंस किया। एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए काजोल के लिए। और मैंने सुना आप एकदम मस्ती मस्ती में होते हैं और एकदम से इंटेंस सीन में घुस जाती हैं, ऐसा कैसे?
जैसे ऐसे आपने अभी
मुझे
जो
सुनने में
जोक बताया ना,
तो मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको,
बिल्कुल वैसे ही इंटेंस सीन से मतलब कभी भी थप्पड़ पड़ सकता है, तो रहने दो।
लेकिन मेरी मम्मी कहती थी किसी को नजर ना लगे उसको काजल लगा देना, मुझे भी नजर ना लगे। एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए काजोल मैम के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच मैम। कुछ कहना चाहेंगी और मेरे लिए?
नहीं,
इनके लिए प्लीज मत कहना, बहुत हो गया। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर, कांग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन द अवार्ड।
आप चाहती हैं मैं आपका हाथ पकड़ के छोड़ के आऊं? इधर आओ, सॉरी, आई। एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए काजोल के लिए।
Thank you so much, Siva sir. Thank you for being here and giving away so many awards, sir. We've asked you to stand here endlessly, but thank you so much.
क्या बात है। लेकिन चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे। यू नो सोफी, हर मॉर्निंग में बड़े बड़े प्लान्स के साथ उठता हूँ। मैं उठता हूँ कि भैया मैं जिम जाऊँगा, हेल्दी खाऊंगा, मेडिटेशन करूँगा, शुगर बंद, कार्ब्स बंद, और ये सब एक इंसान के जिम लुक की वजह से हो रहा है। आई ब्लेम हर सोफी, आई ब्लेम हर।
You blame her. Well, don't worry, Manish, because she's done this to over 140 crore Indians, which is why today she's being honored as the Bombay Times headliner lifestyle entrepreneur. And to give away this award, let us please invite on stage national award-winning actor, the wonderful Divya Datta, to please
All right, Divya
come on stage.
coming on stage to do the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a big hand for the winner, Malaika Arora.
Woohoo! Malaika turned her passion for wellness, fitness, and self-care into a powerful business journey, creating brands and ventures that resonate with today's generation. A trendsetter, entrepreneur, and an influential voice in wellness and self-care, she successfully built an identity that extends far beyond the world of entertainment. Congratulations, neighbor.
आप कुछ पूछोगे मुझे?
नहीं, पहले तो आप पहले
आप बोलिए तो सही, मैं कुछ भी पूछ लूंगा।
Well, thank you, Bombay Times, for this honor. And I feel so happy that I pivoted at the right time and got into a space which is really very, very close to my heart, which is being an entrepreneur, being somebody that's so closely associated with wellness. And I really, truly enjoy it. So thank you so much, Bombay Times, and to the entire team that tirelessly works towards evenings and nights like this. Thank you once again. Thank you for this.
लेकिन इससे पहले आप जाएं, आपके लिए एक शेर अर्ज किया है। इरशाद कामिल। शेर है, मेरे दोस्तों को खाने में बहुत पसंद है दही भल्ला, मेरे दोस्तों को खाने में बहुत पसंद है दही भल्ला, पर मुझे सबसे खूबसूरत लगती है मल्ला। जोरदार ताल। मैं किसी के लिए ऐसा नहीं बोला, आपके लिए, आपके लिए।
Only for me.
इसी बात पे मल्ला के लिए सब लोग कर दो हल्ला। जोरदार तालियां for Malaika. That's really nice.
Thank you, Sophie, and have a wonderful evening, everybody.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Divya, for doing the honors. Thank you,
दिव्या,
Malla, for
आपके लिए भी
being
एक
here.
शेर मेरे मन में आ रहा है, ऐसे आप ना जाएं। दिव्या दत्ता। वेल, मेरे दोस्तों की फेवरेट फिल्म है सत्य पे सत्ता, मुझे पसंद है दिव्या दत्ता। जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं फॉर दिव्या। नहीं मतलब सबका दिल रखना पड़ता है, कैसी?
सबका दिल रखना है, ये देखो इतना बेशरम हो गया, ये सबका दिल रखना है।
चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं।
The next honor goes to the man who has dressed almost all of Bollywood, and it's every star's dream to wear his exclusive designs that are now making waves in the global fashion scene. It's time to honor the Bombay Times headliner, Global Fashion Ambassador, and to present this award, I'd like to invite once again Mr. Sivakumar Sundaram, CEO of Times of India, and actor, filmmaker, author Tiska Chopra to please do the honors. Please come on stage to give away the next award. And the winner is my very dear friend, who is just constantly shining bright. The one and only, the handsomest, Manish Malhotra.
क्या बात है, इनके नाम में ही विनर है मनीष.
A visionary who redefined Indian fashion and took it to the global stage. And he's been at the forefront of style, craftsmanship, and cultural storytelling for over 3 decades, from creating some of the most iconic looks in Indian cinema to building a luxury fashion brand admired around the world. Congratulations, Manish. And ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause because Manish is going to be showing at the incredible Paris Couture Week on the 8th of July. It is a huge moment and it's just absolutely amazing. You have to say something.
Well, thank you so much for this award. And, after working for so many years, 35 years in the movies and 20 years of my brand, still, this debut at Paris Haute Couture Week is making me nervous, anxious. I was working, I changed, and I ran here to take this award. So thank you, and I think that's the fun that we all in this room love about our work. We are passionate, we love it, and it still makes us nervous and happy. Thank you.
Well, we know that work is such a huge part of your life, but someone as iconic as you to say something like, my work still makes me anxious and nervous, I think that is a great example for everybody. That is why you are who you are.
मनीष के लिए भी एक शेर. मनीष, मैं नहीं खाता हूं फिश, मैं नहीं खाता हूं फिश, लेकिन आपकी डिजाइनिंग देख के मैं हो जाता हूं फिनिश. एक बार जोरदार तालियां फॉर मनीष.
The first edition of Bombay Times Headliners has been spectacular. We have to thank our partners for making this possible. Luxury partner Forever Diamond Jewelry, De Beers Group, fashion partner Trends, digital partner Reliance Digital, legacy partner the House of Abhinandan Lodha, driven by partner MG Motors, wealth partner Grip Invest, associate partner Mega Shray by Seema Singh, associate partner Lay, celebration partner Living Liquids, and the Glen Walk. And now it is time to honor the Bombay Times headliner, Champion of Disruptive Storytelling Award. And to present this award, I'd like to invite on stage Mega Shray's founder, Ms. Seema Singh. Please join us once again on stage. Who could possibly win this award? See, if it was just disruptive, it would go to you.
I know. अगर
सिर्फ disruptive होता, वो तुम्हें जाता award. लेकिन thankfully it's for disruptive storytelling.
हाँ, तो अगर ये बात होती है तो एक ही नाम आता है. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for Ayushmann Khurrana.
Congratulations, Ayushmann, with his remarkable versatility, choice of unconventional stories, and an unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of mainstream entertainment. Ayushmann has redefined what it means to be a leading man in contemporary Indian cinema. From delivering powerful performances in films to consistently championing subjects that challenge social taboos and spark important conversations, he's carved a path uniquely his own. You have just done some incredible work, Ayushmann, and you continue to entertain while you do it. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको.
Thank you so much, Sophie. Thank you, Manish. आपकी जोड़ी सलामत रहे, क्योंकि मैं जहाँ भी जाता हूँ आपको पाता हूँ और मजा. मनीष, तेरे जोक्स ना बहुत बढ़िया हैं.
Thank you यार. I love you, brother.
असली में कैसे मैं मैसेज करूँगा?
हाँ. वो अलग से करना.
Thank you so much, Bombay Times, for this acknowledgement. It's always a pleasure being here, and happy 30. And I've got some crazy trailblazing collaborators in my this creative expedition of mine. 3 of my films have been with Times of India, Badhai Ho, Bareli Ki Barfi, and Dr. G. So they've been an intrinsic part of my journey. Thank you so much and good night. Thank you.
लेकिन आयुष्मान तेरे लिए एक शेर. आयुष्मान, देख, आज की शाम के लिए मैंने ये सूट पहना है. ये है नया, नहीं है ये पुराना. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for Ayushmann Khurrana.
Manish Paul, wait for my call. I call you at night, okay? Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you, Seema ji, for doing
Thank you, Seema ji. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ayushmann.
And well, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. The trophies have been handed out, the speeches have been made, the selfies have been taken, and the winners have already updated their Insta bios, reels, and posts, and deleted all of Manish's Shero Shairi. The first edition of the Bombay Times Headliners now enters its next phase, and there is a wonderful party because if you all remember, the Bombay Times party is the place to be.